Hello guys, this is Vysh. So what happened on September 7th? You can see here a Brazil's picture and also the Interpol. So I'll tell you why. And before that, the India that is Bharat, the issue which is there covered across newspapers. Already we did a separate video, and in today's editorial also some extra points are there that I'll discuss in editorial video after this. And watch that. Okay, watch that India that is Bharat video, and then also the editorial which I'll be doing today, and that will suffice. Okay, I don't think any more new updates is going to come regarding that. So today's importance. Okay, first thing is it is International Day of Police Cooperation, and that is announced or declared 2022 only. That means 2023 it is the very first international day of Interpol this thing. Okay, police cooperation. So regarding with that, I will explain some things about Interpol. Okay, the theme first is theme for the day is recognition of the vital importance of women in policing. And Interpol is actually observing its centenary year, meaning 2023 is 100 years of Interpol. Okay, it was not the name Interpol in 1923, it was a different name which I will show you here. It is the largest police organizations with more than 195 member countries, and the world's first initiative for this thing, International Law Enforcement Cooperation, was the Police Union of German States. Okay. Established in the 1851, and then till the Nazi Germany, you know, under Hitler and all, this kind of secret police forces were there in mostly in German speaking countries alone. And during World War II, many member states left this International Criminal Police Commission. Okay, that was actually, which I started in 1923 September 7 today. This thing was there, and many people left this. Okay, and when the war now ended, this body was revived, and it was named International Criminal Police Organization. Was now headquartered in Paris, and it adopted a new constitution and a shorter name, which is the Interpol, in 1956. So its headquarters was moved again to Saint Cloud in 1967, and then this Lyon place in France in 1989. Same like this, there is a European police agency also, which is the Europol, which will deal with the crimes and everything within the EU countries. Okay, so this is the basic history about Interpol. And I think long back one question came regarding Interpol also. That is why you should know. Okay, it's 100 years also this year. So maybe prelims they can ask like its headquarters or India is a member of it or not. Such kind of things it will do. Okay, so you should go and again a little bit more research on this, and we will do more articles on this. Okay. Then International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies since 2019. This also related one editorial we will discuss about air pollution. Today we will discuss. So this one is again not very old one, 2019 only this was declared, and the latest theme is Together for Clean Air. Okay, and then September 7, 1882, Brazil got independence from Portuguese. Okay, same like India got independence from British. Portuguese used to rule over many of the South American or Latin American countries. So Brazil is the one which got independence from Portuguese on September 7, 1882. So today only these many important things are there. So you make sure that you go and watch that India that is Bharat episode, and wait for my today's editorial, okay, which will have some more extra details. And many students were asking for the current affair PDFs. All the offers we have kept intact because many people asked. So come and WhatsApp me and try to get it, okay, because I don't know for how long we'll extend these offer prices. Packages will be there, but offer prices will go away. Okay, so these goodies and all, again many people ask like, should I purchase or you will get it? Most of our students will get it if you are enrolled to prelims plus mains kind of packages, but others at a nominal price you may get it. So that we'll announce. Okay, wait for October 2, we will announce. So I'll wind up this video. Thank you and have a nice day.